Our group is at Global Scholars, and the topic is basically about saving water and water conservation.
Absolutely. So you'll take it from there. So you say the entire point of interest here and work is toward water conservation. Okay, and this is what you all are doing in effect to be able to conserve it. You wanted to add to that? A few of you? Yes, Akhilesh.
And what strategy you all are using? You all are using the strategy of teaching
the younger children so that they can also learn about it, because they don't know much about sanitation of water and
So you're creating an awareness with the youth, okay? Because you are also part of that same peer group, isn't it? So you're teaching in effect your peers how to conserve water. Someone from here wanted to add to that?
Advait, you?
Someone, you wanted to say something? Anyone else? I would like all of you to share a part and parcel of your thoughts as to what you're going to be doing.
How did
and
you
go out.
enjoy? We can also put this at the end of the year resolution. How did you enjoy working with Global
Would
Scholars?
you like to add to this? You can sit and answer.
Actually, we'll be going to the junior classes and we'll be telling them what are the major issues of water which are going around the world, so that we can aware them about how
So that
we
you can make
save-
them aware.
Yeah, we
So
can
that you can make them aware.
about saving water and not wasting it.
Okay. Now, supposing if it were me and all of you had come, walked up to me and said, you know what, we're going to tell you about water and how to conserve it. And I'd be like, oh God, I've heard that so many times, over and again. And I'm so fed up. Are you practicing what you're preaching, if I were to ask? You would like to answer this?
We would like it. We would like to make it interesting for them, so that they learn something. At the same time, they feel like listening to us.
Interested in it, okay?
Yes. So they should learn a few techniques. At the same time, they should feel interested and they should feel enthusiastic about implementing
Great.
these ideas in their life.
Absolutely. I like the aspect where you said you're going to draw their interest so that they could take that forward with them in terms of what your end goal is, and that is to conserve water. So what do you have up your sleeve in terms of making it interesting for them? Yes, Svetlana?
Ma'am, like we'll be showing PowerPoints, so then there can be less, like there can be information, but the information should like be in one line, and the photos should be actually capturing.
So you're going to create an interest through photographs, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
We just started. Good afternoon. Take a chair. So you're going to create an interest through photographs. So you're saying the photograph is going to catch their eye. Now these photographs in effect are something that you actually have done, or is it just taken from various sources? The photographs that you've captured on this PowerPoint, is it work that you've actually done? It's from Google. But have you actually indulged in such work per se? Yes. Yeah? So nevertheless, despite taking that picture and uploading it on the PowerPoint, you can also tell them that this is what you've done as well. So hands-on. Right? It's essential that not only to be able to speak, because all of us can say and go on and on and on talking about so many different things. But the fact and point of the matter is being able to have done something hands-on. Yes, you want to do this? Hands-on. Hands-on actually makes a difference. Come on, all of you. Yeah. Yeah. Hands-on is always so important. Our question, or my question to the group was, in the sense, you're going to be going out there and speaking to various groups. Most of all to your peers, most of all to those who are your juniors. Okay? And my question and point was, how are you going to create not only the awareness, but more so to be able to speak a language that your juniors will say, oh, they're just not preaching, they're actually practicing. So do you have anything to add to this in terms of not just preaching but practicing the conservation of water?
We can add our own,
Experiences?
our own experiences in this field. We can add our, how we implemented the things we are saying, how we have actually taken a step forward, and we are encouraging them
Absolutely.
also.
So not only have you, on his line of thought, not only have you been given the information per se, you all have not only been identified in this given as this given group to be able to associate with various students and peers across the globe, but you have had the benefit of doing what? You've had the benefit, no, of what?
Being a part of it.
Absolutely, and that in itself is such a huge opportunity, right? So what you could also share with them, it is an opportunity. Are you thinking about it, Rebecca? It is an opportunity, because it is an opportunity in that this is not something that the whole school is a part of, but just a very select group, right? So what I wanted to say to you is, therefore, in effect, you also had the opportunity of having a teacher who is almost about to be a grandmother, but doesn't appear that way, right? Yes? She is so energetic, so lively, so young in her thinking, and that is what is so impressive, right? Coming back to the point in question about water conservation, what you can actually share with them, and you're talking about sharing an interest, sharing an enthusiasm, telling them that you've actually been there and done that, okay? To be able to tell them what you've done in the process, that you've interacted online with these various groups of students, that in itself is going to catch their interest, isn't it? So imagine using technology. All of us love to use technology. So here you're not only creating an awareness just for the sake of water conservation, but you're also making what? Friends. Have you made friends?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? So you can share that with them. So that's again going to pick their interest. Yes, you're going to create an interest by saying, you know what? We've made so many friends who share the same line of thought. Have you heard that phrase? Who share?
Same line of thought.
Who share?
The same line of thought.
They're in sync with what you're doing. And isn't that amazing? I mean, here you are sitting at a different time zone, at a different demographic. Yes? And whilst you're talking to someone, again, at a very different time zone, okay? At a very different demographic, cultural differences. Has it helped you to understand the cultural connotations there as well? Culturally, how different they are? Okay, thank you, boys. Sit down now.